Hey guys, topic of today's video is how to remove a primer crimp. So you probably can't see it, but this primer is ever so crimped. There you go. See the slight lip in the primer pocket? That is called a primer crimp. And most of this brass here has it. And the reason for that is so when you're shooting it, the primer doesn't come out, but it makes reloading a little bit more difficult. There you go. See the lips? Alright, so now what we're going to do is how to remove the primer crimp and how to make the case actually usable. So as you can see here, this is the Hornady burring and chamfering tool. This is all you need. Well, you don't need this particular one, but this is what I use. Anyway, let me focus on the table here and I'll show you what I'm doing. Alright, cool. So all you have to do is grab your case, grab the chamfer part of it, and chamfer the primer pocket. And all you're doing is getting rid of the sharp corner on that crimp and creating a slight bevel for the primer to slide in on. And let me just change the focus again. See how the lip is gone? The lip is completely gone and it's got a slight bevel, and the primer will just slip straight in. And now this brass is usable. Yay! Alright guys, see you on the next video.